you know what? I see aquaponics. I was learning a lot about aquaponics because I had a fish aquarium, and I was like, I wonder if I could grow because the first plant I grew was right by the pond, and I was like, well, this plant all it needs is a water source, and good nutrients.
Exactly.
You can put it in a pot with good nutrient soil, set it by a good water source, and you're off to the races.
Yep.
It's
Yep.
guaranteed to get it's guaranteed to tap into that water source and just go to town. And it's almost like the plant, as long as that water has some place to go and it's flowing, which is creating oxygen,
Yep.
as long as all these things came together, you would get a really good plant. So I was like, can I bring this down into a miniature version where we can add the fish pond, we can add the creek, and then we can tap into this. What Leighton was talking about was that wicking action. And then I found like these boxes, these called earth boxes. And they're like these wicking containers, like this plastic container. And you have a plastic lining that goes in between, and then it has this tube that runs down the side of it and packs soil down in that tube,
Yep. Yep. Yep.
and then it wicks water up, and that's how you just pour water. You fill this bottom tray up, and it's just a wicking
Okay.
system from up underneath.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
all the
Yeah.
plants get their water from underneath. So as the roots grow, they'll grow down into that clean water. So as long as you keep that organic soil out of that water, you
Yep.
separate the two, you won't create a swamp. So you won't get anaerobic bacteria and
Yeah.
basically get
All
the
the
funkiness
nasty
that you're
stuff.
not.
Yeah.
Right, right. And that's what we're
Yeah.
trying to avoid.